Okay, and started recording.
Okay, the previous class we discussed about how to assign a IP address, right? And also we check that how many different ways we can assign the IP address. So already I told you we have some ways are there. So through command mode or graphical mode you can assign the IP address. And also I told you that so when you are going any practice of the networking or anything you are doing on the computer, you should not do through the putty. You have to do through the word. By sitting on the same computer you have to do. So that is the reason. So what we'll do that we have to go on the system. Okay. So now what we did, we assigned IP address and we checked that the IP address is here 192. We assigned a static IP address. And also on the same day I told you that a MAC address of the will be there for each and every network card.
LAN
So
card.
yeah, LAN card or Ethernet card. The address which will be there, the MAC address which will be a 12 digits address, which will be fixed IP address, a unique ID number for in your network. So the ID number will not allocated anybody in the world. Anybody in the world.
World.
Yes. Sometimes the hackers is going to do any hacking anything. It can be traceable by using this MAC address or this IP address. Okay.
Okay.
So those are all other advanced concept. Right now we don't record those things. Okay. Now see. Now. So we till now we gonna assigning an IP address and we did. Now what I will do that I will go to the script folder where is your network related script folder storing. So generally where your network related script folders will be stored slash etc
etc
sys
slash sysconfig
yes
slash networks dash scripts.
yes inside that right now we are in the same folder. Okay, see here. So I told you already the network related folder will be there. Our IFCFG ETH0 is your network folder, network file. Sorry. So you can check that cat IFCFG ETH0 and see there. So
It's
device
the
will
network file, right?
yeah, this is the network
IX
file.
file. Okay.
Okay, and device is equal to ETH0 and that computer MAC address it is showing and UUID unique ID number. Okay, now this is the newly added in RHCL 6 onwards. In the 5 you will not find this in the IFCS ETH0 file you will not found this UUID file, the UUID line. This is only in RHCL 6 onwards this is there. Okay.
So for the older Red Hats, you will not find the UUID.
No, you will not find UUID. Okay.
What was there before?
No, nothing is there. It will no. This line is newly introduced. UUID, unique ID number in the network. See how you have a MAC ID you have. Like the same way, this is a different system communication ID is added in the newly for the network.
Okay. Okay.
There is a few things are added in this newly in the Linux operating system in this. Okay. No, I will tell you that. Okay. Next, on boot. No means on boot no means when your operating system will be start, your network card will not get the IP address because you have manually assigned the IP address. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you are going to put it yes, and if you are not going to assign the IP address will come automatically through the DHCP server or that is I told you no through your router.
If you put yes.
Yes. Okay. Is correct.
So if you put on boot is yes,
yes,
then IP will be automatically assigned by DHCP.
Yes, exactly. Okay.
Okay.
Next.
But if it's no, then it's static IP, right?
Static
Something
IP.
you have to assign.
Yes, we have to manually assign the IP. Okay. Now here boot pro none. Boot pro none. So I will tell you this is later when the DHCP server will come. No, I will tell you on that day. Okay. Next.
Okay.
IP address. You know that. See, this is the IP address which we assign, and subnet mask, DNS2, gateway, these are all we assign. Okay. This is also IP6 we don't have, we are not using IP6 version, and these are all are related to that. So no, I don't want to do that. I don't have a system hyphen config tool. I don't have. I cannot use with system tools. I cannot use it. So then you can do one thing. You can manually open the script file and manually you can type it.
Okay.
So open the script. Okay. And what you can do that, if I want to change the IP address, you see here, you can go here, change the IP address to 6, and here you can put here what a network mask depends upon your IP address. You can put a network mask and gateway all. Okay. And escape, save and change. Change it or not?
Yes.
Now once you changed, I told you already, service network
Network restart.
restart, it's a must.
Yes.
If it is not showing, the IP address is not showing, then what you need to do? You need to make if up space ETH0. So I think it is taking the IP address. Let's check it.
Is it always good practice to just type if up F0? Is
Yes,
it
you
good
can.
practice to do that?
If your network card is not up, then what you will do? In generally in direct, if you install in Linux server, direct on server, which server in physical system, it will work 100%. But here it is you are working on VMware now. It will maybe general in real time. You will never touch net. Till now, I'm working for last 1 year in this company. I never restarted network service. There is no chance you will get to restart your network service. If you restart your network service, your network will be go down and the system will not unavailable for a few minutes. You need to give a answer for that. Okay.
Okay.
Generally 99, not 99, 99.9%, no need to execute this command. Which command? Service network restart.
Network restart.
Whenever you will get any ticket, like another any time, if you have see, we are maintaining a 2500 servers, more than 2500 servers. Okay. In the 2500 servers, even we are not getting any time to restart this service. Just imagine that. Means nobody will never touch network service. Yes or no?
Yes. You have to explain.
Hmm?
Because you have to explain and you have to get a lot of authority to restart any server, right?
100% yes. If you restart now, you need to get so many answers for that. Why you restarted, what happened. You need to get the root cause analysis for that. Okay. So
Okay.
now check that. What is the new IP address we assigned? It's showing here 26. Yes or no? Means
Yes.
without using software tool, we manually gone into the script file and we able to change the IP address. Got it now?
Got it.
This is one way, because if you don't have a tool, you can use this command to change your IP address. Got it?
Yes.
Fine. So till now everything is fine. Now
Yes.
we need to do another concept. Example, let's say that
Hello?
yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
See,
So, okay, let me just go through this again. So yesterday we did system config network TUI.
yes,
So that was like a tool, but today you are showing me the script, how
script
to do it
by
through
directly.
script.
This is called a manual concept, manually changing the IP address.
Manual. Okay.
Got it?
Gotcha. Yes.
Okay. So let's say that I have a system is here like this. Okay. 1 second. So let's say that I have a one server, okay? So for this server, I have a one Ethernet card, which is IF. Okay, let's say that it is an ETH0, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And it having a one IP address 192.168.1.25. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I have a one Ethernet card and it is connected to the server and it got a one IP address. Now here I have a three different server systems are there, three different networks are there, computers are there. Okay. So here when you go here, the thing is like this.
Just one quick question. So the IP address that you assign any servers, basically those IP addresses are for the LAN card, not necessarily the server.
LAN card means what? LAN card will be inside your server, right?
Mm-hmm.
LAN card which you have, the LAN card will be inside your server motherboard. So then it will be related to that server, right?
Okay.
Okay, see, let's say that I have a three different networks are here. Three different
Mm-hmm.
types of networks are here. What are the different types of networks? So here I have a 192.168.1.66. Here I have a 1 dot series, here I have a 1 dot series, and both networks are looking same, right?
Okay.
So these two computers can communicate each other, right?
Okay.
If the networks which are belongs to same, they can communicate each other. There is no problem about that one. Here you see, here it is a completely different network. You got 10 series network, here I have a 172 series network. Got it?
Okay. Okay.
Now, these computers want to communicate with this server and this computer want to communicate with this server. So this
Mm-hmm.
computer and this computer want to communicate with this server. So how they communicate?
Okay.
Because you don't have any same network series is not there. It is not possible to communicate each other.
Okay.
So if any different network series are there, if they want to communicate each other, they cannot communicate directly. What they need? They need a router over here. What they need?
Oh,
They need what?
router.
Router.
Router. So because they're not the same network series.
Yes. Without router, you cannot communicate.
I see.
So router will do what? In the router, you can assign two different IP addresses. Okay. It will be 10 series will be there and 172 series will be there and they will communicate with your 192 series. Got it now?
Got you.
But in the real time, when you go for example, I have in the real time you have a 50 servers are there. Yeah. Okay, let's say that five servers, different servers are there. So company says that we cannot purchase router because it's a very costly. So you have to manage your own. Then what you will do? So the scenario is like that. See, I don't know what happened. Oh, hello,
Yes, I can hear you.
it got stuck. I don't
Just
know
a
what.
moment. Just a moment. It's showing high CPU use. Okay. You should be fine now.
Yeah. Okay. Now what happened? Company says that company cannot afford that much of money. The company cannot afford. So you have to manage anyhow your own. So now what we'll do that? So how these systems, how these servers can communicate with this server. So here the scenario will come different. In the local area network or it may be other networks, if you don't have a router, you can able to manage it. That is the advantage in Linux, or it may be in Windows also it is there. That is called virtual Ethernet card. What is it called as a name?
Virtual Ethernet card.
Yes. What is this virtual Ethernet card? Virtual Ethernet card is nothing but which is a card which works like a real Ethernet card, but which is not a real Ethernet card. Got it?
Okay.
A
Okay.
virtual Ethernet card is in a card which is works like exactly like a real card, real Ethernet adapter, but which is not a real Ethernet adapter. Okay?
Okay.
So here you have ETH0 is your virtual, this is your physical Ethernet card. If you have a virtual Ethernet card, it will be looks like this. How? The Ethernet name will be, the Ethernet card name will be IFCFG hyphen ETH0 colon 0.
Mm.
Colon 0 it comes means in the in the server if you got a colon means it is a virtual. Colon 0, colon 1, colon 2. Like that how many you can do? So you can go for like that IFCFG ETH sorry hyphen ETH 0 colon 254 you can go maximum. Okay?
54.
Means
Okay.
your computer with one Ethernet card you can able to communicate with the 255 different computers. Got it now? 255 different
Yes.
networks means the router which work is doing no need any router here. Your Linux ESX server itself can do the work.
Okay. So one LAN. This is attached to that one physical LAN card, right? This
Yes,
is the
it will
one physical LAN card can act as also 255 virtual
Ethernet.
Ethernet card.
Yes, exactly. Okay. Now
Oh,
what happened?
okay.
You can assign it in the same computer without purchasing any router, without purchasing any physical LAN card. It can work. So now you can assign this one as a 10 series network. Okay. And the second one you can assign as a what? 172 series network. Now what happened? So in the same computer itself, so you are able to communicate with the 170 series network and this can able to communicate with this network and this can able to communicate with this network. So this is a physical LAN card, but these are all are, this is a physical one and these both are what? Virtual LAN cards. So your work is done. What we need? They need to communicate each other. That's it. It is working fine. Yes or no?
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah, it's very new. I've never heard this before, so yes, it's clear for now.
See, this is a very important real-time scenario. In the real-time scenario, you have only one server will be there. There is a many number of servers will be there. There, your company cannot purchase one network, 10 network card, right? Maybe in your server you will not have that number of not network card slots will be there to keep the server, keep the network cards, right? On the
Mm-hmm.
occasion, what you will do? There is no other option. You have to use this only. Yes or no?
Got you. Yes.
Yes. So now we will go for how to configure a virtual Ethernet card. So I told you first.
Mm-hmm.
So let's will go here. So first step one, what we'll do that? Go to in the step one, what we'll do that? Okay. Step one, go to network script folder. Second one, copy your ifcfg hyphen eth0 to ifcfg hyphen eth0 colon 1. Okay. Third one, assign IP address. Fourth one, add this in route table. This is the steps you need to follow. So last step is not compulsory, that we'll discuss later, but up to 3 steps we will do it right now. Okay. So let's go. Creating a virtual Ethernet card. See, first already we are in where? We are in network scripts folder. So let's say that ELS. Because why we are doing this one? Because already you have this is the main script file which is having all the content. You just copy and paste and change the IP addresses. It will work normal. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, let's say that. CP IFCFG ETH02 IFCFG ETH. So the naming should be very important. See, if you miss anything, no, your network may not be work. Okay, see here.
IFCFG.
Okay.
IFCFG ETH0 ETH0 colon 1.
Was. Okay.
Okay.
Now it is configured.
You cannot do ETH0 colon 0. You cannot start on 0.
Yes, your wish. You can start, no problem. 02, I told you, no, 0 colon 02 till 0 colon 254 you can go. Your wish, anything.
Okay. Anything, right? Okay.
Okay. Now first open this one, VIM.
One more interruption, please, if you don't mind.
Yes.
So all the number of files under network scripts, it has just increased by the virtual LAN card name, right? But
yes.
All the other files remain the same.
Yes, other files are mentioned. No changes, no need to change other file.
Okay.
Okay, the green color files which you are seeing, these are all are network related commands. These are all are commands. See, we are doing IF up, IF down. Yes or no? See here, this is a command. IF up. Yes or no?
Yes.
Like that. So, VIM, yes, we need to open the script file because why we copied from ETH0, right? We need to do some changes over here. Open here. Here you need to do first change a device name because why it is an old device name. We need to change it into ETH0 colon
1.
1.
Okay.
Zero colon 1. So here you can give type Ethernet, and if you need you can remove this UUID because why it is related to that, right? So you can do one thing, most probably you can remove this. But and onboard is equal to yes. You can keep it is equal to onboard yes, and I'm removing it none. Okay. No,
Onboard is going to be
no. We'll change the different IP address. Wait. I'll change the IP address into some other series. 10.0.0.2 here. Okay. And subnet mask you will get it for 10 series you will get 255.0.0.1.
Okay.
And this DNS gateway is your wish if you can keep or not. That is not a mandatory. Okay, I assigned only one IP address and subnet mask is enough. Okay, now save and exit. Now done. Now what you will do that if config eth 0:1 10.0.0.2 net mask is equal to 255.0.0.0. Enter. Okay, with using ifconfig command also we can assign the IP address. Okay, but whenever you do like this, you need to add this IP address in the routing table, then only it will reflect. When you reboot it, how it will work until you restart your computer, no problem about any, no problem at all. But if you're with the using ifconfig command, if you are assigning any IP address, so if you reboot your computer, this may not be reflect. You need to add it once again. Okay, to avoid this one, you can add it in routing table, it will works fine. But right now I will not tell you that. I will tell you at last classes, routing table, all these things. Okay,
Okay.
so now check your IP address. How many IP addresses are there? See, you got second IP address, yes or no? 10 series IP address.
Yes.
We have a 2 IP addresses right now. So what we can do right now, in your local computer you have a Windows 7, so only one IP address is there, yes or no? We will do
I
one
see.
thing.
Yes.
Yeah. We will also assign 2 IP address to that one. Let me check it whether it is working with DHCP or normal. No. I need to go through control panel also. Oh god.
Go to upper left hand corner.
Yeah.
Upper left hand corner. Yes. There's an icon for control panel on the taskbar.
Yeah.
Click it again. On the desktop, yes.
Oh, I cannot change it right now. Actually, if you have a, see, DHCP, you are getting the IP address 5, 1.5 through DHCP only. If it is a manually assigned, I can do something. If I'm going to change now, your network will, now your disconnect through internet. I don't want to do it right now. What you can do it now? So you can go properties. Then you can go here. Hello?
Yes, I'm here.
No, wait, I'm not able to do.
Has it frozen? Is it frozen?
Yes, it got stuck.
Right.
Yeah. Wait, now it is working. Wait, click on properties. Now click here. Move
Where?
this. Scroll down. That is. Select last one.
This one?
Yeah. Click on again properties. So click on advanced. Last you have advanced. About DHCP. If not, if DHCP is enabled, if it is a manually there, no, you can add another IP address 10.0.0.1, because then your Windows 7 system and your Linux system can communicate each other with different IP addresses, 10 series network. Then you can understand that, okay, this system and that system are able to ping each other. Got it now?
No.
No, see. Well, let me tell you. No, I will explain it. Don't worry. Click on this. Let me close this.
Close this too?
Yeah.
Close
Okay.
this too?
Leave it.
Okay.
See, now what I'm thinking you. Right now on your computer, we can see the as of now. You have a system Windows 7, Windows 8, right? On the Windows 8, you have an IP address 192.168.1.5 is enabled right now. Yes or no?
On mine, yes.
Yes. And in our VMware system, Linux system, we have a 192.168.1.26 is there, right?
Yes.
Now, so as of now, what we can do that, now these two systems can able to communicate each other, because why? If they are not communicating, how you are accessing throughput T? It is not possible, right?
It's in the same series.
Same series, no? Because see here, we assigned a here which IP address, because it may not work because this connection is done. See, if they are not in same series, how you are able to communicate each other? Sorry, not 16, 26. Oh God.
Oh yeah, because you changed, right?
We change.
Okay.
See, 100% is working. So it is able to communicate. That is the reason you are able to get the. You were able
What
to
was
get.
that error?
It
I'm
is
sorry,
saying.
what was that error? What was it saying? What did it mean?
I will show you. It's saying that request a timeout because why network error. Because why the network IP address is not there. How you are able to connect full? It is saying.
Okay.
Okay. Now see, this computer having a 26 IP address. So what we are able to do that we are able to get connect through by system. This system is on a Windows system. Right it or not?
Yes.
So this is your Windows Win. This is your Linux. Now what is my plan? We have already how we assigned it 10 192.168.1.26. Now we can do one thing. No, we already assigned 10.0.0.2
Two.
here. Now, if the system want to communicate, with other system, means any system, if they want to communicate, they also require same series IP address. Yes or no?
Yes. Without the router, yes.
Yes. Without router, I told you already, we need either 3, 4, 5 till 256, till 254. Any number you can give last octet. Last instead of 3, you can give anything. Now what happened? These two can able to communicate each other. Now when I try to give this IP address to your Windows 7 system, here here we assign manually these two IP addresses. Yes or no? Static IP addresses we assign manually. Right or not?
Right.
You can check it also. We can go on for ifcfg eth0 script file cd etc. What happened? It's not. Alright. I don't know. It's got. Okay. So what we did, we assigned these two IP addresses to these computers manually. Linux system manually we assigned the IP address. But here, this IP address got from DHCP, means Through router you got this IP address. When you got through router, you cannot assign this IP address, because why? If you assign it manually, then only it is possible you can assign it.
Oh, I get it.
Got it now? So, but in Linux it is not like that. You can get it either it router or either it manually, either one router, one manually, it is possible. But in Windows it is not possible. So that is the reason you are not able to communicate. That's what I'm saying, telling you. Got it now? Now
Yes.
here you can keep, okay, now you can keep another IP address also here, IP address ETH0 colon 11 you can keep, or some other series IP address, and you can communicate with other computer.
So you're saying the 10.0.0.3, it's the router which, because it's the router which assigns the IPs for the Windows machine.
Yeah, this is the mesh IP address which you got from router. So it is not allowing us to allow manually this IP address.
Yes.
If we can do that, that is also possible. You can go and network and you can go, but your network, our class will disturb for 5 minutes because it will disconnect.
Right, right.
Can we do that or no?
It's your wish.
Yeah, we will do it, no problem. Go there. Here, go to the open set network. If, see, open that. Open
The
that.
networking?
Yes. Yeah, that click on Wi-Fi counter, Wi-Fi connector. Go to the properties. See that. Then this one properties. Down one, not that. Yes. Comes, wait. It will come in. Okay, go the last one. Okay, go to the properties again. Okay, see, if you are facing any issue, click on use following IP address. Select the second option. Yes. Assign the IP address 192.168.168.1. Okay, there you don't give 2. There you give 660, because we are assigning manual now. Already this is allocated to your computer only. Press tab, then assign 192.168.1.1. Default gateway should be 192.168.1.1.
I don't know how you get these numbers.
Yeah, this is already through DHCP server. You have the options. Okay, let me check it. Cancel it. I will show you. Cancel it. Then go to cancel. Now you click on details. In the screen you can see the details are there, right? First one. Click on the first one.
Right click?
No. Click on. Simple. Give me 1 second. Okay. Here you can go details. So there you can see that IP address is equal to 4.1.5, okay, 255.250, gateway, DNS, yes or no? This is the information you need to keep out there.
Okay.
Okay, close it and go there same way, how I told you. Go to the properties.
Properties?
Yes. Yes. One dot, give 60. Then 255.255.0.
One dot one, right?
Yes. Then DNS also 192.168.1.1. Wait, don't make okay. See, wait. Here you see, if you're facing any issue after clicking on OK here, okay, if your internet is not connecting, then come directly here and click on obtain automatically, okay? Then you will get automatically internet. If you're facing any issue, okay?
Then
Internet
I
is,
have to do what? Come.
if you're facing any issue after clicking on OK, it may be internet disconnect, okay? If you're not getting internet, then you come in the same place and do that, click on obtain automatically this IP address, okay? Then this will be, now go to the advanced, click on advanced, then go add. Now see, it will go, the option is highlighted, right? Now assign 10.0.0.3.
Do the 10 series.
Yeah.
Oh, I got you. 0.7.3.
Yeah, tab. Press tab. Yes, add. Add.
Here 10.0.0.
No, you given, I told you no, 3, assign 3.
Okay.
Tab. Okay, then click on add.
It's a 255.0.0.0, right?
This 10 series, no? It will be like this only. 255.0.0.3, 0.0.
Okay.
I'll give you that series right now. Okay, click on add. Okay, now two different IP addresses we have. Now click on OK. Now click on OK. Now OK. Now you need to be very careful. Okay. Hello?
Hello?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, it's okay?
See, your internet connection is disconnected for a while, right?
Yes.
I told you clearly. Now you have a static IP address on your computer. Now what I can do that, you can open a command prompt. Let me ping from here. See, I'll ping you to your server. I'll ping you from Windows system. It should work in both sides, right? You check it. I'll show you. See.
So basically the Windows LAN card can do the same thing, like you can also make it a virtual Ethernet card?
Yes, now 10 series which you assigned is in a virtual only, right?
Yes, but I'm saying, you know, the one we configured in the beginning, it was in the VMware machine. But right now we have configured for this laptop, right? The LAN card to have a virtual Ethernet IP address.
Yes. Previously you have a, on your Windows machine, your physical node there, another virtual also we configured in the Windows. As well as in the Linux also we configure the virtual and physical. Both.
Okay. So my question was, it's also possible to do to give virtual LAN card numbers, LAN card IP addresses to the Windows machines too.
Yes, it is possible.
And is it also like 255 of them? Can
yes, same. 0 to 255 you can 254, not 255. Okay. 0 to 55. Okay. Because it is not pinging. Why it is not pinging? Your firewalls is enabled. It should ping. Okay. It's not pinging. Why means your firewalls is enabled in Windows side. It cannot ping. It can able to communicate. See, whenever you are able to log in through PuTTY, it is working. Why it is not pinging? Your firewalls is blocking that one. Okay.
Okay.
So that is not a problem. Okay. We'll try from here. So how we'll get a command prompt? Okay, let's try with command prompt. Search option will be there now. CMD. If they don't know anything, anybody will come. No, they don't know about CMD. They cannot open this, right?
Yes.
See, it is pinging. Which computer? Linux computer. Yes or no?
Yes, because it was 2, yes, and this one was 3, right?
Yes.
60.
Not 60. Your Windows Linux
5,
system 26.
26, sorry.
Yes. Both are working fine, right? With one computer, one Ethernet card, we able to manage how many? We able to manage two
2.
different network cards. So
2.
like that you can assign another IP address also. You can do it. Clear?
I think so.
You have to, because in the real time it will be a little bit important. But these things you will never touch and you will never go these things, because these are all not required. Okay, we'll
Is it
come.
is this like the job of the system admin or the network admins?
System admin, you have to do these things by system admin only.
Not the network admins, right?
No, network admin will maintain only outside its switches, router networks. So
Oh.
see, now I'm going to connect through like this 10.0.0. What?
2. 2.
Can I able or not?
Yes, you can.
See? Yes or no?
Yes.
So I can connect by PU. Oh, sorry.
I have to configure this tomorrow, a couple of them.
Oh God. Bye. I don't know. Oh, sorry. I given a wrong IP password here. Okay. I giving my office ID here, so it is giving. We never log in as a root, you know. In real-time server, you understand another thing. Hello?
Log in with your username. Yes.
Yes, you should not never log in as a root user on your computer. Don't forget that one another thing. You have to log in as a normal user. Now clear the concept?
Yes.
How to assign IP address, how to assign a virtual IP address, how to check the IP address, okay? And how to restart the network service, okay? And how to,
Mm-hmm.
if your network card is not working, how you will get the, see, if your network is working or not, you can get the status. How you will get the status of the network?
I have
Service,
config. Oh, network
network,
status.
status of the network. See that it is running. Yes or no? IF configure ETH0 and both ETH0s are running normal. Got it or not?
Yes.
Both are running normal. If it is, if you say that something your network is not running, it will show you here configured is equal to nothing, it will show you. Then you can understand that both are not running. Yeah, tell me.
Uh,
Another
uh,
1 minute. Another thing you need to tell. I need to tell. So if your physical network is not, or network card is not working, your virtual network card will not never work. You know that, right?
yes.
Yeah. Tell me now.
Okay, you know that we logged into 10.0.0.2,
Yes.
which was the virtual network
Adapter.
card
Yes.
adapter.
Mm.
But here it's showing the physical network
So that is I told
adapter.
you, no, we are not configuring the routing table, right? We are not added in the routing table. So once the virtual network card is added in the routing table, then only it will show you ETH0:0. But routing table it is reflected, but it is not completely added in the routing table. So you can get the information ROUTE. Route is a command which will give you routing table information. Okay, you can see here we configured a 192.0.ETH0 only, but 10 series also configured to the same Ethernet card. But why it is not showing? This ETH0:0 is not completely reflected to the routing table. You need to add it in the routing table. You have one command route space ETH0:0 space 10 series space satnark mask space gateway plus gate DNS server. Then only it adds in the routing table. Got it
But you
now?
will show the last, yeah, you will show me the
Yes,
last.
yes. Because I need to tell you a
Okay,
little bit more regarding that.
got you.
Clear now? So you can also write down that route is a command which will tell you all the routing table information. Okay, to get the network status. What is the command you have? Service network.
Status.
Okay.
And route will tell you all the routing information on the of the what?
Routing table information it will tell you. Okay. See, I am connecting to the server by using 26. Okay. I am using with the two different IP addresses. Yes or no?
Yes.
See, another thing I need to tell you. So right now on my computer, how many users are connected to the server? How can I? So first I need to tell you another thing. How can I check my computer name? Host name will tell you currently what is the computer name of your host name.
Okay.
If you want to change the host name,
Hello?
yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Okay.
So if you want to give your computer name, host name is equal to serve1.hostname. So now you check that your host name is changed. Yes or no? Like that. You can change your host name. But this name is not permanent. If you want to make this computer name permanent after reboot also, sorry, via etc. I don't know why this is not working. Tab is not working. My tab is not working. I don't know. Okay.
Network scripts?
Network.
Just network, not scripts.
Yes. Here you will get the host name which is there now. You need to change here the host name. So now what is the name we given? Serve1. What is the name we given?
It was serve1 example.com.
Yes. Yes, here we serve1.example.com. So your computer name will be permanent. Okay. Now once you save and exit from here, your computer name will be permanent over here. Now it's not showing. See, it is a permanent. Here it will show you in the place of localhost. It will show you SCR. Once you log out and log in, it will show you. Okay. This is one. How to assign a host name to your computer. Next one. Currently, how many users are connected to your server? How you will get the information? For that, you have one command. W is a command. No, W is a command which will tell you currently how many users are logged into the computer. See.
What's the difference between that and who is?
Coming or there?
Okay. So how many are there?
See, currently root user is logged in through so many ways. One is through desktop he log in, another two ways, two terminals he log in. After that he is logged in through an SSH service. See, 195 series he logged in, 10 series he logged in, and Cameron is logged in as in a what user, what 1.6 series. Everything is giving, and what they're doing, how much processors are doing, how many days onward they are ideal, everything is showing, right? It is giving you the complete information. Who is? I don't know who is command is not there here. Who am I is there? Who am I? Who am I means currently which user is logged in. It will tell you the information.
So, okay. So who am I is just going to show who is currently logged in, but W is going to show everybody logged in the server.
Yes. How many users are logged into the server? It will tell you. Because server will be there in US, some people are going to connect through some other place like US, UK, Germany, they can able to connect, right? So then how you will know that some, if you want to stop some jobs, some services you want to stop, but some other users will work some other places, okay? So if you stop that service, so other users may be affected. Due to that, how you will know that how many users are connected to the servers? By giving this command, you can understand it. Got it? Okay. So ETH tool space ETH0, which will give you Ethernet card hardware information. What will tell you? ETH
Ethernet card hardware.
tool space ETH0 Ethernet card number. If I have a 5 Ethernet cards, okay, the 5 physical cards, these are all, okay. If the Ethernet card is connected to the cable or not, whether it is connected to the switch or not, or any cable is plugged or not, you can check it by looking. See, Ethernet cable, yes. See, link detected, yes. Link detected, no means your system network card is working, but cable is unplugged. It will show you no. Detected is equal to no, it will show you. Got it?
Yes.
And it will show you your what is the speed of your network card. See, our speed of network card is 1 GB. How much? 1000
1
Mbps.
GB.
1000 Mbps LAN card you have. By looking at that, you need to understand that whether what type of Ethernet card you are using, and whether the link is detected or not. Somebody says that, okay, service network restart you did, it is working fine, everything is working fine, suddenly it got down. Why it is gone down? Somebody unplugged that. Okay, so how you know that it is unplugged? Yes or no? In your computer, you have a two network cards. One network card is working, another network card is not working. So you tried so many things, but you don't know whether it is in remotely, some it is in some other place where you are not there. Okay. On the occasion, what happened? Whether the network card got plugged or not, how you will check it? By using this command, you can check it. If you say that it is not showing yes, then you can understand that okay, somebody has been unplugged the cable. Okay.
Okay.
This is about a small brief information about your network, and completely
Listen.
network in your Linux all these things are network only, but this is the basic thing which you have to learn, minimum thing, these are all.
Oh my God. This is minimum.
This is minimum because so that is the reason I told you I will not tell you how to add a route information in the routing table. Later I will tell you. I told you or not. This is the reason.
Okay. Okay. No, it's very wide. I know. Like I was struggling on my own to understand networking. I could not. I tried. I could not
Yes, you
understand, and I
cannot,
was.
because why? These concepts are different. Comparing in Windows, you can easily understand because why everything is graphical mode. You can easily able to little bit understand. But here it is a completely different. Okay. So now, what you will do that in your computer, in your server is there, no? You try to assign the IP address. You try to check the steps what I told you. You are able to do it or not? Let me know tomorrow.
Okay.
What do you say?
Okay. And I'll also try to. Yes, I'll also try to add